Mr. Mars, has the review of a 2024 Ford Maverick. I remember the Maverick back in the days. Well, I guess that was mid-'60s that they had the Maverick.
Yeah, Mavericks are cool.
Late 60s.
They had Maverick GTs. Yeah.
Mars, you need to fix your microphone, Mr. Radio.
Four-door Mavericks.
Four-door, two-door Mavericks.
Yeah, I remember the
Maverick
two-door
Brothers
Mavericks.
on TV.
And what was the Mercury version of the Maverick?
The Mercury.
No, Mercury.
Comet. No.
Mercury.
It's in a thermometer.
It wasn't near as popular as the Maverick. Let's say that.
It's in a Capri.
Well, anyway,
was it Mercury Capri?
No, I don't think
My brother
so.
and I had a Capri.
Yeah, but that wasn't the same car.
No.
But it doesn't make any difference. We'll find out the answer to that.
Someone will tell us.
I'm sure that they will. But in the meantime, there is a new 2024 Ford Maverick pick-em-up truck. Here's Mr. Mars to explain.
Yes, sir. It is the new version of this vehicle that was introduced in 2022. It comes in actually 3 trim levels, an XL, XLT, and a Lariat. We had the XLT with the all-wheel drive option on it. Now, I would say there is also a trimmer option that's out there, but that's a total option up there.
It's a nice place you took it for those pictures.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
It is considered a compact pickup. It's basically built on the Bronco Sport platform. So it's a unibody, 4-door, 4.5-foot bed. That's the way it comes. You don't really get a choice on anything else like that. So it looks like a truck. And it does drive like a truck.
Does
and it feels like a truck when you're in it.
Quack like a truck?
If it quacks like a truck, it is a truck. Whenever you hit the bumps just right, it will quack a little bit. So up front, you're going to find that it has the LED lighting with the auto headlights, which I love, and I think everybody ought to start doing that. Got the side mirrors on the doors that are powered. Got the power locking tailgate. Got cargo tie downs inside of the bed, along with a bed liner is what we had as some of the options on it. We had the 4K towing package, which is the wiring and the upgraded cooling system on it. FX4 package also, there's an option. So we had the all-terrain tires, tow hooks, skid plates on it, so you can get a little bit of off-road on this vehicle. Got some unique 17-inch wheels on it as part of that XLT package. We did have cloth bucket seats on the inside of it, so it's not leather, it's not that fancy, it's not that upper Lariat level thing. So the second row has flip-up bench seats. It's got a little bit of storage underneath of that. It's got a rotary gear shifter, which some people don't particularly care for.
I love it.
I think they're great.
Yep.
Makes things a lot easier, a lot cleaner in there. Now, it also had the 8-inch center stack screen. Now, so that's not necessarily the biggest, but it's plenty big for this compact vehicle. You're going to find your nav there, your Ford Copilot 360, your rear view camera, all those kind of convenience controls are all right in that. The interior storage compartments, there's some in the door panel, and they're kind of unique on that door panel. They're not full like most cars, so it's got room for larger bottles. You can actually put a big bottle in there that's tall because it doesn't go all the way down.
Like a fifth of Jack.
I was thinking a fifth.
Well, maybe even a half gallon. But when you go to close it, though, you can't just reach over and grab something. Because of the door handle on it, the door panel, the way it's made, to make allowances for that,
a real long
makes it a little bit smaller. Got plenty of USB A and C, so you got your Auto CarPlay and your Android Auto. Now, up under the hood, we had the 2.0-liter turbo engine. Now, this produces 250 horsepower, 257 pound-feet of torque, backed by an 8-speed automatic. And, again, this was an all-wheel drive version. So it will tow with the tow package and everything on it. It says it will tow up to 4,000 pounds and haul up to 1,500, which... that's a pretty good sized load behind
16 tons, and
a compact truck.
Another day older and deeper in debt.
And maybe, I'd like to put 4,000 pounds behind that just to see what it would drive like. Yeah.
But that's 2 tons.
So the EPA says you should be looking for 22 in the city, 29 out on the highway, and combined you should be getting 25. I got 20 across the 148.8 miles I drove it. And again, like I said earlier, it does ride and drive like a truck, which is kind of surprising with the unibody, but that's because the suspension and the load package and stuff, the way it's built and the way it'll carry it. Now, this vehicle, this vehicle, the base model price on the Maverick is $25,410. The base trim price that we had was $26,345. Now, you add in the all-wheel drive and some of the other features that we had for the bed liner and things, puts the MSRP as tested at $34,735. The best thing I could find to compare it to with that unibody size vehicle was the Hyundai Santa Cruz that starts at $26,900 versus the $25,410 for the base model. So,
And what's the Honda version of that?
that's the Ridgeline, but it's actually bigger. It's more into the mid-size with the Colorado and some of the
gotcha.
other ones.
Yeah, I'd
So
agree with that.
get into that compact size.
Right. I was just looking at it as a crossover kind of thing.
Yeah, I agree. I looked at that too, but I thought the difference in the size was too big.
A small avalanche
But this
design.
is a small compact pickup. If you're looking for that compact truck, this might be the one for you.
You're at game.